This is the old cap construction. As you can see, it's just, you know, sitting on my head, but it's not fitted to my hair. And this is their new cap, and you can see how it's actually fitted to my forehead. This is the inside of the wig.